I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. And I'll always be around when I need some love and baby.
What's going on, everybody? Today I have just showing you a few of my other little parrots. I have a pair of Rosellas, opaline Rosellas. They are originally from Australia, so I don't need to have a permit for them. And then I got some common Cockatiels as well. They actually have 3 babies out of the nest. So this is my Rosellas. They are cinnamon Rosellas. Now this aviary is split in half. So they have their little perches and they've got their food and their water and their little nest box. The hen is the one closest to you. The cock is right at the back. So we'll see what they do. She did lay eggs for me, but unfortunately they were unfertile. So I threw those away and we will have to try again and see what happens. These are the Cockatiels. The little mom, this white one lower down, is one of the moms. Not too sure where the other mom is. Oh, she's right at the back on the right hand side. She's right at the back. So yeah, there's a few of her babies that have come out the nest, one right at the top. Yeah, so we've got 3 babies and 2 pairs, so it's about 6 babies, I think. 6 or 7 altogether. So yeah, and there's one baby right here on the nest box. Kind of difficult to see through the wire, but they are quite wild, so I don't want to have any escapees. Yes. And as you can see, it's quite a big aviary. But it's a perfect right amount size for them, and yeah, so and we also have some lovely weather coming in as well, if it would focus. There we go. As you can see, there's some nice rain clouds around, so that'll also be good for the birds and keeping those eggs hydrated. Not that they need it, but it's good to have some moisture in the air. And I showed you in the last video, that is where my common budgie aviary stands. So the smaller parrots are there and the larger parrots are there, so we'll see what happens.
Best branches on the top.